Welcome back. In this lesson. We will deep dive into passing arguments and returning value in the Perl functions. We have already seen how functions works and but now we'll explore more how to pass the values and return the values, multiple values from one function. So as you have seen here that if we need to pass any argument to a function, we can just use either shift or we can use @_ and then we can get values one by one. Now I'll show you one more example here where how we can return if we have more than one value. So let's say if we need to get min and max value from the same function, and we'll try to get the input. So for example, suppose we have a function sub and I'll say get min under and max. So we have here function, I'll say my and @ because we have a function, so I'll say numbers equal to @_. So now I have just stored these parameter into a variable numbers which is array type, and then from this I'll say @ and I will say $min, and we'll take the first two element and then try to get the value from there, and we will iterate it. So I'll say dollar numbers 0, this is the first value, then similarly I'll say max, and here in this case I'll say max is 1. Just we are trying to calculate min and max from the given array. And for that what we will do, we will use here for each loop, and then I'll say my, and then we'll say $num, and here we'll pass our array numbers. So now from numbers we are getting num, and then we'll check if this num is greater than this min or not. So what we will do here is we'll write $min equal to $num if $num is less than $min. So now suppose if given if whatever first number that we get from the array, if this number is less than min, that means we can consider this number is min number, and we can assign that to min. Same thing we can do for max. Just only we will switch the case here. So I'll say max if num is greater than the min, greater than the max, right? We are calculating two things in one. So we are saying num greater than max. In that case we can just keep that. So by the end we will get both things. Now to return, what we can do, inside the braces we'll say $min, and then we'll say $max. So now we have these two values available, min and max, and if you wanted to check how it will work, then what we can do here is we'll call this method get min max, and here we'll have to pass the value. So suppose I'll say 10, 4, 5, 20, then I'll say 8, 15, anything, any value you can pass here, and then I'll do here one variable I will create, and then how you will take, because it is returning two values, so we have to use this braces, and I will say here that min value, any variable you can write, and then we'll say $max value. So min and max value now we have available. Let's print it. So I'll say min equal to $min underscore val, and then I'll say max equal to $max val. Let's try to run it, and we can check if we are getting output properly or not. So if you see, we get min equal to 4, max equal to 20. That means in Perl you can return more than one value together at the same time from the subroutine or function. This is how we can utilize and make our code maintainable so that we can easily use subroutines in our program. Thank you. See you in the next video.